Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.10, Problem 16. This is Section 4.10, Problem 16. It says, using information from previous problems in this homework, compute how many grams are in 11 pounds. So when we do something like this, what you want to do is start with the given information. We have 11 pounds, and you want to multiply that times some unusual sort of a number 1, so that you will have pounds in the denominator and whatever you want in the numerator. So we want grams in the numerator. Now, nowhere in this homework set were we given a direct ratio of pounds to grams. So that's okay, we can still do it. So as you look back, what problems related pounds, grams, kilograms, all that stuff? Well, in problem number 9, we saw that 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. And in problem number 11, we saw that 2.2 pounds was equivalent to 1 kilogram. So this is the information we have to work with. So what that means is we're going to have to multiply times 2 fractions, which is okay. You can multiply times as many as you want. So we're starting with 11 pounds. And we want to multiply times something that will have pounds in the denominator so we can make pounds cancel. So what do we have with pounds? We have this. 2.2 pounds is equal to 1 kilogram. So 2.2 pounds, 1 kilogram, which again I'll abbreviate kg as the standard abbreviation for kilogram. So now pounds have canceled and my units are kilograms, which is not what I want. We want grams. So I'm going to multiply times another fraction that's equivalent to 1. I want to cancel the kilogram, so that will be in the denominator. So what do I have with kilograms? We have this kilogram. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. I'll actually write it out. So now the answer we want in grams, and we found a way to get it in grams. So we start with pounds. We cancel pounds, but to do that, we get it in kilograms. But then we can cancel kilograms and make it show up in grams, which is what we want. So when we do this multiplication, first pounds will cancel, then kilograms will cancel, and I'll have it in grams. So what are we doing with the numbers? In the numerator, we're going 11 times 1 times 1,000. And in the denominator, 2.2. And again, my units of measure will be grams. So now in the numerator, 11 times 1 times 1,000 is 11,000. You can use a calculator for that, but you really don't have to. You have 2.2 in the denominator, and that's in grams. Now this you may or may not be able to do without a calculator. I can see the answer, but a lot of you would probably want to just enter the numerator of 11,000, divide by the denominator of 2.2, hit equals, and your calculator will tell you that comes out to a nice round number of 5,000, and again, your units of measure are in grams. So we've done it. It says we have 11 pounds, convert that to grams. 11 pounds converts to 5,000 grams.